My name is Christine Linden. I'm the engineering manager for Frontier Kemper Constructors. I didn't stay always in the mining industry. I branched out. In times when the industry was slow, I would step out of my traditional roles and took positions that you wouldn't normally think a mining engineer should have. I was the port engineer for the borough of Juneau, Alaska. So when Frontier Kemper came knocking on my door, I was working as a technical service manager for another contractor. I looked at the makeup of Frontier Kemper being a mining division, an equipment OEM division, and a civil division. And I looked at the excitement it would be to start expanding beyond the boundaries that I've normally been involved in, and looking at the synergies between mining industry and the construction industry, the civil tunneling industry. And that excited me. I've never been afraid to do something that's intimidated me. My first job out of school in 1993, I was the field engineer for a shaft sinking project in Northern Saskatchewan in Canada. And I had many people think that I was crazy to attempt it. But the manager chose me because he said that my background, I had moved around and did different internships during school that showed that I was able to take on varying locations, and it started that. It started the journey that I'm still on today. I always think that engineers need to get their hands dirty a little bit before they really understand how they're engineering, for example, what they're engineering, what are the field guys talking about, how do you make sure that something's constructible, or if that's the type of future that you could see yourself in. This industry is fantastic, and there's so many opportunities to do such amazing things that you can't even imagine are being done. So you might start as a field engineer, but you can advance into, if you want to operate the site or be a superintendent, you could be the project manager. You can estimate if that's more your thing, or you could be a running around putting fires out engineering department.